Hello techies. Welcome to this wonderful episode from Techie Spot. In this video, we present to you the world's most amazing electric scooters you should try out now. But before we proceed, give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to this channel. Techie Spot, your #1 tech channel. Jyroball. If you've ever wanted to ride a ball to work, now you can. Jyroball is an electric ball you can ride to work. Jyroball is a spherical, self-balancing electric vehicle that can travel at more than 12 meters per hour. It looks like a large soccer ball or basketball, with retractable foot platforms coming out of its core. It's lightweight and compact. The vehicle's rotating ball shape is supposed to allow for agile movements, and since it is self-balancing, you just have to move your body to move forward, no remote control necessary. So, go try it out today. X1. The X1 offers riders a unique spin on electric skateboards. With its three-wheeled design, it's easy to balance on, and thanks to its chunky tires, it can ride on sand, grass, gravel, and other tricky terrain, including up and down hills. It has a 25 meters per hour top speed, and its battery pack provides up to 37 miles of range. This means you can travel a long distance on this scooter without worries. So, when you think of going for work, go try out X1. If you're enjoying this video so far, give it a thumbs up. The Dragonfly. It's been called the Lamborghini you can stand on. The Dragonfly is the world's first electric hyper-scooter, and the man behind it is Jez Williman, who's the CEO of the British mobility startup, D-Fly. The Dragonfly features a pioneering steering system called Full Tilt, a steering column that can be tilted left and right, or twisted forwards or backwards. It also has a deck that can be manipulated, a deck you can tilt with your feet as you would rather, like a snowboard, a wakeboard, a skateboard, all of those things you can do at the same time. The rechargeable power units provide a range of up to 28.5 miles, or 45 kilometers. It has dual motors with 1,800 watts per wheel, and top speeds of 38 meters per hour. It is a foldable bike you would like to take anywhere with you. Ridroid Canguro. Canguro is a Ridroid, an intelligent robot that is transformable and rideable. It was planned and developed by Future Robotics Technology Center, Foro of Chiba Institute of Technology. Canguro assists you as a partner robot. When you want to move, it automatically transforms itself into a vehicle. In robot mode, Canguro escorts and supports you based on the AI technology. From a remote location, it is automatically sent out to a designated place. In vehicle mode, it transforms its body to make sharp turns. It gives you a sense of human-machine integration, as if in skiing. Imagine yourself riding in a robotic bike. Go try it out now. Jrat Customs e-bike. This e-bike uses rechargeable batteries, and typically travel up to 25 to 32 km per hour, or 16 to 20 meters per hour. High-powered varieties can often travel more than 45 km per hour, or 28 m per hour. You can try it out today. If you have viewed up to this extent, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more amazing videos. Triggo. The Triggo is an innovative electric moped car, made by electric vehicle startup from Poland. The Triggo is a 1+1 seater, and is designed for robotaxi and car-sharing purposes. The vehicle has two 10,000-watt electric motors, for a top speed of 56 m per hour. The combined power output of the motors is limited to 15,000 watt. The vehicle has a easy-to-swap removable lithium battery, for a driving range of 62 miles. The vehicle has two driving modes, road mode, and maneuvering mode. In road mode, the wheels of the vehicle expand to a width of 148 centimeters. In maneuvering mode, the wheels retract to a width of 86 centimeters for a turning circle of 3.5 m, and a maximum speed of 16 m per hour. The vehicle can be equipped and customized for business and cargo purposes, such as pizza delivery, security and urban logistics. Omni Hoverboards. Hoverboards aren't a new concept, but new breakthroughs in technology have made a much more futuristic product possible. Omni Hoverboards have created the first flying hoverboard that can travel a distance of 275.9 meters. This is truly a mesmerizing and incredible feat in the world of engineering and transportation. You have to try it out now. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe and hit the bell notification. Please share this video with your friends.